Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to be looking at how to reset your Metatrader 5 demo account. So first of all, you are going to open your Metatrader 5. So let's open our Metatrader 5. This is my Metatrader 5. I click on it. So now once you have your Metatrader 5, you are going to meet the interface like this. First thing you are going to do is to come over here, click on this three button that is here. Once you click on it, it's going to open up this place. You are going to select manage account, so you click on manage account. When you click on manage account, it's going to show you your different account that is connected to your MetaTrader 5. Now what you're going to do is, as you can see here, I have this is my current Metatrader 5 demo account. Okay, so this is my current demo account. What I'm going to do is to hold it. Once I hold it, I come here and click on delete account. So do you really want to delete account? Yes. So now I've deleted this account. After you finish deleting the account, next thing you're going to do is to click on this button here. Once you click on this button, you're going to see brokers. Find broker. You come here and type Metatrader. So as you're seeing, this is my Metatrader. You're seeing it here, so you click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see this first one that is here, open demo account. So you click on it. Once you open it, you're going to see these options. These options: your name, second name, date of birth, phone, email. Going to see this option for server account type. You're going to select the account type that you want to create, and your leverage and the deposit of the amount that you want. Once you're done with this, you're going to click accept. So on clicking accept, you click on register. Once you click on register, it's going to give you these options. These are not necessary actually, except you just want to have them: your login, your password, and this investor. So you click on done. As you can see, I have a brand new Metatrader 5 demo account. I can say I've resetted my Metatrader 5 demo account. So as easy as this, guys, this is how you reset your Metatrader 5 accounts. Now if you have any problem or any question, drop them in the comment section, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe so that you get our subsequent videos. And in case you have any problem on your trading, you can always drop it in the comment section. Bye for now.